Hi team, my name is Gautam and Ramasamy with over 20 years of experience in quality engineering. Let me share a simple truth about today's Scrum creators. We spend a lot of time every day just creating a status reports, but we don't have a full visibility and test coverage. So risks remain unknown. Many times, blockers are found late during stand-ups or close to release. That creates a stress, rework, and last-minute surprises. And our context is web everywhere. Jira, emails, documents, spreadsheets, etc., right? So we keep switching, trying to connect the dots. Now imagine a different way of working. This is where ROVO comes in place. ROVO works like an AI teammate inside Jira. It automatically gives a daily quality updates, no manual effort. It brings real-time coverage, so nothing is hidden. It identifies a risk early, even before stand-up. And most importantly, it brings everything together in one place, a single source of truth. So teams don't just react anymore, they stay ahead. That is the real change. From manual, reactive teams to smart, proactive, autonomous Scrum teams. Now, let me quickly walk you through the real demo. Many people think ROVO is just a chatbot. You can ask something and it replies. But ROVO is actually much more than that. ROVO works as an intelligent agent inside Jira. Here we create a ROVO agent. Think of it like a digital team member. It understands your sprint data, stories, task, bug, everything. Now we connect this agent with Jira Automation. Jira Automation is just a trigger. Example, every day at 9 a.m. before stand up, the automation triggers the ROVO agent. So that actually ROVO agent analyze the sprint, identifies blockers, check risks, and looks at coverage gaps. Then it generates a clear sprint report showing what is working and what needs attention and what owns that. And finally, it automatically sends this as an email to the team. So before stand up even starts, everyone already has full visibility about the status. So this is not just a chatbot. This is an intelligent system working like a QA engineer, working like a Scrum Master, a product owner, all together inside Jira. Rovo is not just answering, it is actually doing the work. I repeat, Rovo is not just answering, it is actually doing the work. And that is the real shift from asking tools to having a system that works for you. Now, in this screen, what you are seeing is Rovo Studio. With this screen, I am creating an intelligent agent by clearly defining its purpose through description and instructions. I also configure the knowledge it should use so the responses are context aware and accurate. What makes this agent specific is the rules I have added. For example, it always generates responses in HTML format. This helps me directly reuse the output in the email generation step, making the whole process seamless and automated. In this workflow, the first step is the schedule trigger, which runs automatically every day at 9 a.m. The next step is the row agent, where the agent collects the current sprint details and prepares the sprint status report intelligently. The final step is the email action, which takes the generated output and sends it directly to the record mailbox. So, this flow automates report creation and delivery without any manual work. So, that's it. After this, you will get an email to your mailbox like this with daily status report. So overall, ROVO acts like the brain of this entire QA process or Scrum process, from generating test cases, selecting smart regression testing scope, handling bug triage, to analyzing release risks. And finally, everything is brought into one dashboard to help us to make a clear go or no-go decision. With this, we move forward to fully autonomous QA system. Thank you all for watching this demo and overview about ROVO.